Hey there, TikTok shop enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the world of TikTok global shipping? Buckle up, because today we're unraveling the mysteries behind the international shopping extravaganza. Picture this, you're scrolling through TikTok and suddenly you stumble upon something you never knew you needed. An item from halfway across the globe. That's the magic of TikTok global shipping, my friends. Now, let's talk logistics, shall we? Ship by seller or ship by TikTok? It's like choosing between two paths to shopper's paradise. But wait, there's more. Navigating through your orders is as easy as pie with TikTok Shop's user-friendly interface. No more lost packages in the abyss of your inbox. Ever wondered how long it takes for your TikTok treasure to arrive? Fear not, we've got the scoop on delivery times for both the US and the UK. And guess what? TikTok parcels in the UK are delivered by an all-star lineup of carriers. It's like a celebrity parade for your packages. Tracking your TikTok orders is a breeze. With just a few clicks, you know exactly where your package is and when it will land on your doorstep. And there you have it, folks. TikTok Global Shopping Demystified, courtesy of your friends at Link My Books. So what are you waiting for? Head over to our blog for all the juicy details and start shopping till you drop TikTok style. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Until next time, happy scrolling.